In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust device bid modifiers in Google Ads. Optimizing by device helps you put more budget where your customers are most likely to convert. Mobile users might browse on the go, desktop users might complete more complex purchases, and tablets can behave differently depending on your audience. By fine tuning bids for each device, you can align spend with performance and get more from the same budget. Start by signing into your Google Ads account and heading to campaigns. From the list, choose the specific campaign you want to optimize. It's important to pick the campaign where you actually want the change to apply because device adjustments are set at the campaign level and won't automatically carry over to others. Once you've opened the campaign, go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Devices section. This is where Google Ads groups performance by desktop, mobile, and tablet. Think of these as separate buckets. Desktop generally covers laptops and desktops. Mobile is smartphones, and tablet is its own category. Now choose the device type you want to adjust. If you know mobile drives stronger conversion rates, you might decide to prioritize it. If desktop delivers higher order values, you might push that instead. If tablets don't perform well for your business, you might want to scale back. Next, adjust your bid modifiers. These are percentage changes layered on top of your base bids. Increasing a device modifier tells Google to bid more aggressively for that device. Decreasing it does the opposite. As an example, a plus 20% modifier on mobile raises bids for mobile searches by 20%, while a 30% modifier reduces bids for that device. If a device consistently brings poor results, you can dramatically lower it, and in many cases even disable it. Aim for changes that reflect your data. Small incremental adjustments like 10% to 20% are a good starting point, especially if you're testing. Keep in mind that certain automated bidding strategies can influence how device adjustments are applied. So if you're using an automated strategy, review how it interacts with device modifiers. When you're satisfied with the modifiers, save your changes. Google Ads will start using these new device level preferences right away, and your ads will target, prioritize, or de-emphasize the selected devices accordingly. After saving, monitor performance over the next few days. Watch your key metrics like conversion rate, cost per conversion, and return on ad spend broken out by device. If you see positive trends, you can lean in further. If not, pull back. With a bit of data-driven tuning, device bid adjustments can quickly sharpen your campaign's efficiency.